for days. I hate small talk, I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me, told me bring my wrist back. Come through rockin' fashions that got all these bitches like, yo, what's that? I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no.
This video is brought to you by divatrust.com.
Come on!
So guys, this is how the wig comes in its packaging. This is a wig from Red Carpet Premiere. This is a lace front wig and in the style RCP7010 Hensley, and the color on this unit is SR4 Rose Pink. When you remove it from the box, you're gonna find like all the stuff that keeps it shape and form, the lentiolating net as we're all used to, and like the little stock card that it comes with. This stock card does have steps on how to cut the lace and prepare the wig before wearing the wig. You probably can't see it that well just because it is like a white card and I have these bright lights on. So it shows you how to apply it. It even shows you like tips on how to apply the tape, which it doesn't come with any tape, but you can use tape to tape it down. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this thing. So you're going to just what am I doing? So you're just going to go ahead and remove the stock card, and then it comes apart. You can save this. I usually save these because it has the wig information and it has also the other styles. It comes in 9 other shades, so you're able to kind of keep that for reference if you plan on ordering more in case you like the style of this unit, because this isn't necessarily like an everyday go to work type of unit, but it definitely is a like one if you are gonna order it like in a 1B or 2. So I went ahead and cut off the lace. As you guys can see, it does have a part here that's about 3 inches. It has 2 clips right here near the parting area, and it does have a clip in the back with adjustable straps. I really think the color of the lace on the inside is really nice, and I like how it's pretty breathable, so it's going to be great for those summer months, especially like if you live in areas like California where it's super hot. It's going to be awesome. The parting space from the top looks pretty good. I'm going to see if we need to kind of like tweak that a little bit, but so far it looks pretty good. The roots are not like black or anything. They're more like a purpley brown. That's how I feel about the roots. It does already have a part already made for you, so this is going to be a center part. You're not really going to be able to part it anywhere else because it's going to have tracks, so keep that in mind. But we're going to see if we can move the part, slide it over left and right. We should be able to do that. I'm going to go ahead and put the straps on the loosest setting just because you guys know I have a freaking big old head. It doesn't have any baby hairs in the front or anything like that. So let's just see how it looks straight on without fixing it any. Obviously I need to pull it back. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's pretty. So that's nice. I like the curl pattern on it. That's super pretty. I think this unit would be really, really, really nice in a like 1B. Like this is definitely something that's everyday. The poofiness on the top, I'm gonna have to probably get something to flatten that out. I'm looking for my brush. So I went ahead and zoomed out a little bit just so you guys can see more of the unit. I haven't done anything like I told you guys we're gonna do this all on camera together. I did have a little brush I just went and grabbed, and I'm just gonna brush out the unit and see what we need to do with it, because to be honest with you, this looks pretty good. You guys know I like to customize it to look like mine, but it looks so far so good. So it brushed out nicely. I don't think the luster on this is bad at all. I think this is actually really nice. Oh, I like this. This looks so good. Look at that. I think the luster on this is freaking perfect. It does feel like a light yaki. I'm like liking this. Now the parting space is pretty good, but I do feel like I can either tweeze it or apply some powder just because I already have it on right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually, you know what, let me go ahead and warm up my little flat iron. Or actually, I'm going to warm up my wand and then I will be right back so that we can just go ahead and try to flatten out the top a little bit because I feel like it's a little bit bulky. I don't think I'm going to have to pull out any of my baby hairs. Again, this is a lace front, but like I said, it's only the part in the middle, so I more than likely will be wearing this down, so I'm not going to worry about putting out my baby hair. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and I heated up my Conair wand to about 400 degrees. This does accept heat really well, so you guys can not have to worry about like if you guys wanted to revamp the curls or even straighten this unit out when it starts getting a little worn. You guys can definitely do that because again, it's heat safe. I wouldn't go up any higher than 400 degrees, but all I'm doing with the wand is just going over top and just kind of flattening out the bumpiness up top, and then I think it looks super good. I do, like I told you guys, I'm not going to pull out any of my baby hairs because I don't think it's necessary. This unit looks super natural. I am going to adjust the straps in here though. I mean, not just the strap. I have the strap on the loosest setting and it fits me so comfortably. You guys know I have a big old papa head. This is big head friendly, so that's going to be awesome. It fits me really well. I don't even think I need the combs in the front, but I'm just going to put them just so they make me feel more secure. I think it's like a mental thing. So I really like it. Again, I don't think it's really shiny. If it's picking up any type of like extra shine, which it doesn't look like it is, it's probably because I have two lights right here and a light right here in front of me. So that's definitely going to make it. Oh my god, my AC just went on, you guys. I apologize because that is annoying. So it brushes out so nicely. I'm not experiencing any tangling, and I honestly haven't experienced any shedding either, which I'm kind of surprised about. Actually, I have a few hairs here and here. I have some hairs right here, but I'm literally pulling at that, so I don't think I'm going to experience any tangling though. Maybe like shedding. I'm not really like, oh my god, over the shedding. It's not too bad, so I'm not gonna trip over it. Now if it starts getting like excessive, I'll definitely let you guys know, but so far so good. I like how this looks. I feel like overall this is super natural. I haven't had to do anything with it like at all. I just cut the lace off and then just kind of like bumped out the little poofiness I had up top, but do keep in mind I have two cornrows in my hair. So I just want to make the parting look a lot more natural just because it looks a little dark right in here, and I don't think it's absolutely necessary to pluck the part. I'm going to use the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to rub this on one of my little flat brushes, and then I'm going to apply that in the parting area. Like I said, I don't think it's necessary to pluck the part, but I think you definitely should put some powder to make it look a little bit more natural. This is already looking way more natural.
Now you're welcome to use any shade that matches your skin tone or your scalp. Keep in mind your scalp is a little bit lighter than your actual skin tone. I personally prefer to use my face tone just because it looks a lot more natural and on camera, and when I'm out in the sun it looks a lot more natural versus having like a lighter shade. You don't have to go too light. Your scalp is probably like only a couple of shades lighter than your actual face anyways. I prefer using a powder over a liquid as well just because it looks a lot better and it lasts a lot longer and it doesn't have as much of mess. This parting space is about 3 inches on this unit.
So that made it look like a gazillion times more natural. Now feel free to take out some of your baby hairs if you're like me and you have that widow's peak. I don't think it looks bad though. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and stand up and show you guys how long it falls on me. I'm loving these curls. So as you guys can see, this unit is really nice length. It comes about, I would say, to my waist area. Yeah, and I'm about 5'4" and a half, if you guys are wondering. I'm getting a little bit of tingling at the bottoms, but nothing crazy. And of course, I don't recommend you rubbing your fingers through it as much as I have, but it feels so nice and soft. It feels like a really light yaki, and it's just so pretty. I'm loving the curl pattern and how it keeps falling back into itself. Look at how bouncy that is. It moves nice. It honestly feels like real hair. It feels so nice. So if I turn around, you guys can see the back, the length, how it falls on me right here, like right above. So it's super, super, super pretty. I like how voluminous it is, but it doesn't feel heavy at all.
This wig does retail for $36.95 on divatress.com.
So I'm just loving how flowy it is. It doesn't smell like anything. The luster is absolutely beautiful. The length is gorgeous. I feel like if you could pick this up in a 1 or a 1B or even a 2 or a 4, this is definitely everyday hair. I love the transition from the dark root to the pink. I love how it has those light highlights throughout the pink. It's such a flirty little barrel curl. I think this is so gorgeous. I don't know. You guys know I love me some curled hair. So I'm just loving how flowy it is. The placements of the comb actually don't bother me at all. I want to show you guys if this can actually be moved over a little bit. Let's see. So I guess if you guys wanted to move it to the side, you guys could, but you guys would probably have to work with it a little bit, just because I felt like it got... No. It actually looks really nice on the side. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's see it on the other side. I actually think it looks better on the other side. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I'm gonna put it back in the middle just because I like how that middle part is looking on me right now. Giving me cute, 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 cute vibes.
Five minutes later.
This is like, Sasha, do you love me? Are you riding?
Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you.
I'm freaking loving this hair. Yeah, guys, so let me know what you guys think of this hair down in the comment box below if you guys are going to be picking it up. I'm going to leave the website for Divatress down in the comment box below. I mean, in the comment box, in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm going to leave their social media links as well as a direct link to this wig, so make sure you guys check it out. So yeah, guys, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it useful. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you guys never miss an upload from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411.